Aloha, Nick here on Hōlanikū. Today, our field team is going to talk a little bit more about dune stabilization as well as the plants that affect them.
Perhaps the most important ecological structures on coral atolls are dunes. Sandy dunes provide coastal protection from waves and winds, as well as crucial habitat for seabirds. Accumulation of sediment is critical to build up dunes, but what's really doing the heavy lifting?
All around you, you can see beach naupaka, one of our most vital dune-dwelling plants here on Kure. But it's what you can't see that makes this plant so important for building dunes. Naupaka sends out fibrous hair-like roots into the sand that form a dense mat and accumulate sand and sediment, therefore building up dunes. Meanwhile, the above ground part of the plants continue to grow upwards even as the dunes grow. This is what has led to Kure having one of the highest and most extensive dune structures in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands.
Naupaka also provides great shade for seabirds nesting on the ground, as well as nesting areas for boobies, terns, noddies, and frigates.
The other main plant species that we observe in our dunes are beach heliotrope trees or helfo. Helfo don't absorb sand in the same way that beach naupaka does, so they don't build up the dunes in the same way. And often heavy storm surges can wipe out that sand from underneath, leaving behind heavy woody remnants that can be a hazard to wildlife. As we transect the island, we pull small plants that we observe to prevent them from maturing and outcompeting naupaka. So when a helfo is about this size, we're actually able to mechanically remove it in order to prevent the outcompeting of the beach naupaka. Here you can get a close-up of the root structure.
One of the main vegetative threats to the dune stability on the island is the obligate parasite, Cassida filiformis, or cassville. Cassville is a twining vine that attaches to a host plant and usurps its nutrients. It can kill mature naupaka at a very high rate and is once prevalent throughout the northeastern side of the island. Fortunately, cutting out the affected areas prevents the spread of the vine, and we've successfully kept its growth at bay.